This is a review from J&M Reviews for the Legend of Zelda Manga box set, volumes 1 through 10. These are excellent mangas from the whole series of Legend of Zelda. They are really well done. They tell a similar story to the original games, but with their own original stories within the story of the main games. It's an original take from the manga author and the manga artist of these books, and it's really interesting in seeing the story of Legend of Zelda unfold in a different way, and they go more deep into the character of Link and of his relationships with the different people that he meets throughout his adventures in Hyrule and in different places, such as this Oracle of Ages. They take place in different versions of Hyrule, and they meet different people throughout each adventure. And it is really well done. It is well told, and it goes through the whole, almost the whole series of Legend of Zelda up until Wind Waker. It is highly recommended. It is really well done. It is definitely a must-have for any collector and any fan of Zelda or of mangas, and especially of mangas of video games, which are very rare.